In the early days of astrophysics, scientists believed that stars were probably similar to Earth in their chemical compositions. They did an experiment where they passed starlight through a prism and examined the spectrum, and they found out that many elements are common here on Earth. For example, here's a portion of the spectrum of Arcturus taken from a paper by Hinkle, Wallace, and Livingstone.
This doesn't necessarily mean that all stars' chemical composition is the same. However, they did initially suspect that they were. So, in the 1920s, Cecilia Payne did a study of the full spectra of stars. Then, she devised a way to figure out the temperature and true chemical composition of all of the stars. She then created, after making her findings, she created a list of things about stars. The atmosphere of stars were not made up of the same mix of elements on Earth, not widely variable in composition, and are, in fact, almost all made out of completely hydrogen.
This was so surprising that scientists ignored or rejected the idea for several years. Eventually, after further study confirmed Payne's work, the astronomical community had to concede that the stars were in fact very different from the Earth. They appeared to be made up of 90% hydrogen by number of atoms, 10% helium, and tiny traces of heavy elements for everything else.